dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if Cellular data not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just open the settings. In the settings you need to try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, you need to open Cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just open the general, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general again, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also try to fix it in the last way. So just open the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset and just try to reset network settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting network settings. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.